everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to take you to my happy place, and why I call this my happy place you will get to know soon. When anybody is on vacation, they would like to make the most of their well-earned trip. In this luxurious region of Dubai, I have a region which has life of its own. It's Dubai. There are a lot of attractions which will keep you occupied throughout the day, but also will leave you to appreciate the country for its cosmopolitan vibe, for also its traditional region. So let's get started. So guys, Dubai Creek has it all. If you are a shisha lover, then this is the right place to come and enjoy your shisha with a spectacular view. And if you're a romantic person, then of course you can come here for a romantic lunch and a dinner. Hi guys, so I'm in Dubai, and Dubai is famous for its itar, as we say in Hindi. The fragrance, you just need to dab them and it stays for long. So I'm in a very famous Dream Walk. If you happen to come to Dubai, make sure you make your visit here. Let's see what they have. Hi sir. So I am good. How are you? So I see a lot of fragrances here. Can you please tell me what all fragrances do you have?
I have this special fragrance, Turkish Hawaii.
Oh,
It's of nice shop, best of.
okay. Can I just try?
Sure. It's 24 hours long lasting one. They depend on the product.
And I heard that you have branded also.
Yeah, branded, I have the Gucci Flora, and you want another one, I have Cool Water, Silk Mask, everything I have the branded one.
Wow, isn't it that amazing? And sir, how long does it stay?
This depend the climate, and minimum 6 hours, 100% guarantee.
Minimum 6 hours. That's really nice.
Woman and Australia.
Lovely. Okay, sir, just tell me, how do you pack them and how do you give them?
Normal bottle coming, this one.
Okay.
And the big bottle.
Lovely.
And this one regular bottle. This one coming. This one you using one month also.
Oh, for 1 month?
Yeah, 1 month also.
Okay.
And you want somebody gift, you take this bottle.
Oh, they're so fancy.
And on this one also.
This is the traditional one.
This one also very traditional. And
You
this
have-
one also this diamond bottle.
Look at this one. Oh, they're really nice. And how much do you charge for them?
This is a different price, 100 dirham, 75 dirham.
85 dirhams, and this looks so beautiful. That's nice.
It's a normal price coming. This one 20 dirham starting.
So this is the smallest one which you can buy, which is for 20 dirhams. And what you need to do is you need to just dab it on your wrist on the pulse point, and it works for long. So thank you gesture, I get this beautiful gift from them, which is Gucci Flora. That's one of my favorite fragrance, and I would like to say thank you. Thank you so much. Guys, now I'm heading to my favorite thing, which is the boat thing. So right now, this is known as Abra, which will take me to Gold Souk, where you can find gold to wear. So let's get excited, let's go. My journey has started from here, from Dubai to Gold Souk, which is in this beautiful road, and the view is really nice. Market. If you see the shop here to my right, to my left, are all of gold store, and which is the pure gold of Dubai. Let's have a look. What's woman's best friend? If no, then I'm gonna show you. Yes, you gotta try. That's gold. So I am in Gold Souk now, and I'm gonna show you a large variety of gold. Can you believe it? The costume the lady, the mannequin is wearing is of gold. Real gold. And look at that massive big ring. Oh my god, that's just beautiful. guys, they have a wide range of utensils which are very beautiful. So let's get to this.
India and some Arabic
Spices, Arabic spices. Okay, what all do you have with you?
And this is also dry ginger.
Okay,
This is also dry ginger, and this is also turmeric.
okay,
This turmeric good for cooking,
okay.
and this turmeric is also very good for massage, for face, for skin massage.
What is that?
Turmeric.
Turmeric. Okay.
This is also turmeric. This is good for cooking, and this is good for massage.
Ah, that's good for massage.
Yes, and this is also cinnamon,
Okay, yeah, I see.
cinnamon, and this is also nutmeg,
Oh yeah.
muscat, and this is also
Saffron.
no, this is sunflower.
What is it?
Yeah, this is sunflower.
Okay.
Saffron is inside. Saffron is different because no outside.
Okay.
This is also dried lemon.
Dried lemon.
Yes, smell.
Guys, I am in the saffron store as Dubai saffron is very famous. So let's have it. Can I have a look?
Saffron, okay. King of spice, and what do you like saffron?
Wow,
Saffron
that's
come
nice.
in 25 benefits.
25 benefits.
Yes, number 1 quality, number 2, number 3. This is
Okay.
coming 30% flour, 70% saffron. This is 20% flour, 80% saffron. And this is 100% pure saffron, okay?
100%.
Yeah, this is look benefits Chinese language, and this is English.
Wow. Look at these saffrons. Are these pure? Are they 100%? It just looks so lovely. So we can use it in the tea and even in the
For
food.
water, for tea, for cooking. This for use all everything, okay? Yes, for cooking, for tea, for coffee, for rice, for mutton, for beef, all everything you have.
Oh yeah, that's right. And they smell good, yeah? Okay, thank you so much. So guys, as you know, Dubai is famous for its dry fruit and spices. So I am here to show you some wide range of dry fruits which I am craving for. Okay, sir.
This is cashew, this is plain, this is salt.
Salted cashew.
Yes, and this is normal almond, and this
Okay.
is salt, this is sweet, this is sweet. Okay, yes. This is pista,
Okay.
this is salt pista, this is saffron pista,
Wow.
walnut,
Okay.
apricot, chocolate, mango,
Dried mango, dried cherry, raisins,
this is correct.
carrot,
Yes, and this is kiwi, pineapple,
pineapple,
and this is like this fruit, and this ginger, this coconut.
Wow, they have ginger.
Ginger, this
Oh my god.
one is coconut.
Oh my god. Beautiful variety of dry fruit. It is really nice. Thank you so much, John, for explaining it so nicely. Thank you. So guys, as you know, Dubai is famous for its dates, and I'm right here in the right market, which is the date market. Well, I'm going to show you some varieties of date, and this guy will help me to tell you the benefits of the dates. Let's have. So, hi. What's your name? He is Ashik, and he's going to tell us about the dates. So, which one is your famous date here? Ajwa.
Dubai.
Can I try one? Okay. Why it is famous?
Sugar patient diabetes. सबको number 1.
The healing properties in it for sugar patients. So, you know, when you are here, you can just go for the Ajwa dates. And which is the other date which is famous?
Saffron. That one also Saudi Arabian dates.
Saudi Arabian date. Does they have any healing properties in it?
आपको blood circulation के लिए अच्छा है.
So it is very good for your blood circulation, and the other one which we tried was Ajwa, which was very good for sugar patients, diabetic patients. And I must tell you that it's a piece of heaven. They're really nice. So how much does it cost the Ajwa dates for?
अजवा हमारे पास 2 क्वालिटी आ रहा है मतलब वो साइज का डिफरेंट है
Okay.
तो 85 दिरहम वाला है इसका नॉर्मल छोटा साइज आता है 65 50 60 दिरहम के आसपास
So the bigger dates are for 85 AED per kg, right? So it's a good deal if you're a sugar patient and if you crave for sweet. No, this is the right place to come and try. Guys, as you can see, my masks are off and I'm at my favorite place, that is place to have pani puri. Let's see what all do they have. Stall and Mr. Vinod will serve me golgappa. So sir, कौन-कौन से golgappe serve करेंगे आप मुझे? रगड़े में. It is in मटर मसाला.
Yeah, barabar.
Okay, fine.
Second,
Second is
sprout.
sprout.
Yeah.
Okay.
तीसरा बूंदी.
तीसरा है बूंदी. Okay, fine.
चौथा है potato.
चौथा है?
Potato आलू.
Okay, potato aloo. So they have good varieties of golgappa and that's my favorite. Okay, sir, let's start. So for giving me the ragda one, right?
हाँ.
Ragda one. Let's get started. Wow, I'm super excited. Second is the sprout one.
Yes, sprout.
Lovely. Thank you.
ऐसे अलग ही बूंदी.
Even the masks, we are wearing the masks. And and right in my plate. Perfect. Thank you so much. So guys, evening here looks more beautiful and reminds me that I need to say bye-bye to all of you. I hope you liked it. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Getting back to home, I hope you liked the tour with me and this would have subdued the effect of boredom when you're being home. So bye, and if you like the video, like and subscribe. Thank you.